Okay, so another fall job you can do, again, this is November right now, so, and we're in zone 7A. So another fall job you can do is cut back your lavender. And I'm just trying out a new technique that I've learned about in another video, and I can't remember who it was, otherwise I would link it here. But basically you take a little bit of twine and you wrap the lavender up so it's all gathered together, and then you cut about 1/3 of the way from the bottom or the base of the plant. It's sort of where it's almost in 3 sections, right? You've got your flowering bit, your leaves, and then the stalk. And it's sort of where those stalk and the leaves begin is a good place to cut them. So I'm going to do that. It's not a bad task because it still smells beautiful. So it's actually quite enjoyable. And I mean, you could, gather them up and keep them and dry them and gift them or do whatever you'd like to do. So yeah, I'm doing that. I'm going to show you the first one. This is my smallest lavender plant, and it's sort of the easiest to do this on. So it's a pretty good example. So I'll show you what I've done there. So this is a really small lavender plant here. You can see I've wrapped this twine here about 1/3 of the way up the plant. So I'm going to cut just below the twine, and yeah, it should be easy. We will see. So that was really quick. Creates a nice, fairly straight cut, so it looks quite tidy, and then keeps, all your little sprigs together, which also makes for really easy cleanup. So yeah, I like that. I'm going to do that again. I have this one next to it, which is a little spindlier and bigger, and then I actually have two more here at the front and a large plant at the back. So I'm going to work on this for a bit. All right, well, honest review of tying the sprigs of lavender together. I don't think it's worth it. It's quite easy just to hold them in your hand, grasp them, and you can still gather them in nice little bunches. So it's not for me, but hey, we tried it. Anyhow, let me know what you think. Is this a strategy you use that you swear by? Tell me why I'm wrong, because I often am. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care.